Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to disable safe mode in your phone Moto G04. Here in my phone, see in the bottom left side, safe mode is available. Okay, so my phone is in safe mode. It is printed like safe mode. Okay, so if you want to exit from the safe mode and if you would like to run your phone in normal mode, what you have to do is you have to disable this safe mode. For that, long press this power button to have the power off menu, or if it's not appearing while pressing power button itself, you can press power button and volume up button together to have the power off menu. Okay, so here in my case, power off button is enough to have the power off menu, and power off menu appears here. You have to choose restart. Then after restarting, your phone will have in the normal mode, will enter into normal mode. See here, if your phone is showing that you are in safe mode, just restart your phone and problem will be solved. See here, I am showing the final result, so I wait. Yes, phone is restarting, just wait. Now that safe mode label should not be in the bottom left side. See here, see in the bottom left side there is no safe mode text. Okay, so your phone is in normal mode. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.